Hi, Keith Cronin here today to talk to you about a great use of your VibraCool when doing shoulder range of motion exercises while in clinic or showing your patients to do these things at home. So a simple thing that you can do is put the strap right over the anterior aspect of the shoulder, commonly where they get bicep pain when they're lifting their arm up. And you can use this with some assisted motions in a closed chain position to make it a bit easier. So as simple as using the VibraCool, it is easy as just clicking the button. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go use this ball over here to use shoulder range of motion exercises. So in holding it here, what this allows you to do is get pain control through the joint, as well as allowing you to stretch and do all the different motions that you can normally do from side to side, stretching all the way out. And with this, you'll be able to get a bit more range of motion because you're going to get some pain control from the device itself. You can take it easily out to the side, rotation exercises. You can do the same thing against a wall. And now you're seeing it, what I'm doing this is without the ice pack, but this is a great way to get that solid pain control with the device while using it for something commonly used for shoulder. It could be labral tear, it could be rotator cuff pain, but it can really accentuate the amount of range of motion you get early on to help with recovery.